Hey guys, Andrew King here from andrewdoesreviews.com. Welcome to my Spressio review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm going to give you a full demo and walkthrough how it works and what it does. I'm also going to share with you the details about this product, the pricing, the upsells, and if they are worth picking up. And I've got you secured with the best bonus bundle that you can get your hands on if you decided to pick up Spressio via my link, which is going to be the first link down below in the description. Now, in a nutshell, Spressio is a product research tool. If you are into the e-commerce business, if you have a Shopify store, if you are an e-com business owner, you'll need some sort of a tool that will do the research for you. So you need to research products basically, and you need a powerful tool that can find you winning products that will make you money. That's the whole formula basically of e-commerce. Once you find a winning product, you start running ads and you make money. And Spressio is gonna help you to find trending products. You can customize your searches. You can do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go inside of here and give you the full demo in just a second. But if you are interested in picking up Spressio anytime during this watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, scroll down and click on one of these buttons right here. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Spressio. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on, because all my bonuses are custom made by me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. Plus, it took me like 4 hours to put these bonuses together. So if you would like to get access to Spressio plus all my bonuses, make sure to pick it up from the link down below. My first bonus is going to be access to the Facebook Ads Mastermind course. Now, if you go pick up this course, it's going to cost you $67 to learn these secrets on how to run Facebook ads. It's going to show you how to run Facebook ads and basically launch successful campaigns, because you're not going to be profitable from the beginning. Nobody is, but it's going to show you on how to turn your ads and make them successful and basically spend less and make more money. My second one is going to be access to the simplified dropshipping theme. This is the one-store theme. You can install this theme. This is no longer available on Shopify, and this is currently selling for $97. You're going to get the simplified dropshipping theme, which is the one product store theme. You can install it directly to your Shopify store if you are running on Shopify. So I have simplified it for you, and this theme has made people millions of dollars. You can use it on your own store and start doing the same. The bonus number 3 is going to be access to the Pinterest marketing software. Now, this software allows you to drive traffic anywhere from 50 up to 200 visitors per day to your store directly without pushing a button. So basically, you run this software with your account and it will automatically drive traffic. It will follow people. It will like people's different pins. And once people visit your profile, your Shopify store link is going to be in the description. They're going to click on it and they're going to go to your store, and hopefully you'll make some sales. This is on automation. You don't have to do anything. Basically, plug your Pinterest account and you are good to go. The bonus number 4 is going to be conversions hack to increase sales. I'm going to show you a conversions hack, some Shopify apps or some apps that you need to add to your store in order for you to increase sales and boost the conversion. As we know, in the e-commerce business, the conversion is anywhere from 1% up to 2%. Some people get up to 5%, but you really need to boost your store. So I'm going to show you how to boost your conversion from 1% up to 3.5% and get the maximum amount of sales. Bonus number 5 is going to be a hack on how to hack your copywriting. I'm going to show you on how to write successful copies, how to convert cold leads to warm buyers. So how to convert people that come to your store. I'm going to show you what words that triggers their mind and makes them from cold buyers or cold traffic to warm buyers. As simple as that. It's really amazing. You need to learn this hack in order for you to make some significant amount of sales. Bonus number 6 is going to be a hack on 10 local SEO hacks you probably didn't know about. I'm going to show you some SEO hacks, how to rank your Shopify store and start getting some free targeted traffic just from Google. So these SEO hacks you can implement without spending a dime. You can boost your Shopify store in ranking on the first page of Google and start getting some viral targeted traffic to your store without spending a dime. Bonus number 7 is going to be access to the Google Ads course. Now, most of Shopify store owners or most of e-commerce business owners don't know that Google Ads is an untapped resource. You need to master the Google Ads shopping ads. So basically you need to run shopping ads. They are so much profitable than Facebook ads and all different of paid ads. So I'm going to share with you on how to run Google ads and start making some huge money. This is an untapped resource. Most e-commerce business owners don't use Google ads. They prefer Facebook ads because they don't know the power of Google ads. I'm going to share with you the power of Google ads and how you can leverage that and start making $500, $1,000, $2,000 in profit per day just from Google ads. My last bonus is going to be the 8th bonus. I'm going to give you access to all the vendors' bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates that made a review about this product are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all my exclusive bonuses here that you can get your hands on only if you pick up Spressio via my link, which is the first link down below in the description. Now let's jump right into the members area and inside the software, and I'm going to show you how it works. So first we're going to find trending products. We're going to click on get started, and as you can see you can filter the amount of products sales, so the orders. I'm going to go for more than 500. You can choose the price, so let's go more than 20 bucks. I like to go more than 40 bucks because usually the products more than 40 bucks have like a higher earning potential, or EPC, earning per customer. Found anytime within the last weeks, within 14 days. So let's go with found within the last 14 days. These are the product that this software has found within the last 2 weeks. You can sort these products by the number of orders from high to low. Let's leave it from high to low, and that's basically all the things I want to research. So let me just type in something like dog keyword. Let me just type a keyword. Let me think of one real quick. So let's go lipstick, something like that. So there is nothing for lipstick. Let me just go makeup. Let's go a wider niche. Nothing. Dog, maybe something. Okay, let's just click on search. It will show me all the products basically. So this is the product that is matching my details that I have inputted in here. Let me just go more than 30 bucks and see if more products pop up. As you can see, we have 2 products that match our criteria. Now, if I go here and I insert found anytime and I click on search, you'll see that it will show me a lot of products here that I can choose from in different niches. Now you can type in a keyword or choose a category to get more specific results. You can also turn on the email alerts and it will send you an email once they find new products. And you can see here different stats. I'm gonna leave you with the demo video because the vendor is gonna be explain the product in details, and I can't do that unfortunately because it's not my product, it's his, so he'll explain it way better than me. I'm gonna leave you the demo and then we'll come back and talk about the pricing and the upsells, and we'll wrap up via the sales page. We're gonna take a look at the claims made by the vendor, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out. Hey guys, welcome back. So now let's talk about the pricing and the upsells. Everything I just showed you inside the Spressio members area, you're gonna get access for 47 bucks. No monthly fees. You pay 47 bucks, you get access to the software. Now the front end has some limitations. We're gonna talk about the upsells in just a second. Now the first upsell is gonna be the Spressio Intelligence. We have 3 payment paths or choices. You can choose whatever suits you. So we have the lifetime Spressio Intelligynce-Lifetime. It's gonna cost you 49 bucks, which I find really weird. So they charge you like 49 bucks here. I think it's 149, but the vendor mentioned like it's 49. Excuse me if I'm wrong here, but basically the lifetime version is cheaper than the monthly version. If you count right, like the monthly version is 39 bucks per month and the yearly version is 79 bucks per month, but the lifetime version is 49, which is crazy. I don't understand. So please let me pause the video. I'll come back to you guys and see if I made an error. Yeah, so it's not an error, it's an actual thing. So the Intelligynce-Lifetime is 49 bucks. The monthly version is 39 bucks. And the yearly version is 79 bucks. What I don't understand is the lifetime version is even cheaper than the yearly version. So if I were you, I would definitely go for the lifetime version for 49 bucks. In total, it's gonna cost you less than 100 bucks, and you get the Spressio front end plus the intelligence. It's including all the updates and all the upgrades of the platform. So I don't know what's inside of here, but basically once you pick up the front end, you're gonna be hit with the upsell number 1. Please read carefully before you pick up anything, because I don't want you to pick up Spressio Intelligence just because I told you to. Just check out the sales page of the upsell number 1, which is the Spressio Intelligence, and if you like it, you can pick it up and you can use it. But if you don't like it, no pressure here. Get it or don't get it, we don't care. So basically the choice, at the end of the day, the choice is basically yours. You want to pick it up, you don't want to pick it up, it's up to you. The upsell number 2 is going to be the Spressio Vlueo. I'm sorry, I can't read this right. It's either Vlueo or Value or Vlueo. Anyways, the Spressio Vlueo or Vlueo, let's say Vlueo. Vlueo or Vlueo, let's say Vlueo. So Spressio Vlueo is going to cost you, the lifetime version is going to cost you $197. The monthly version is going to cost you 39 bucks per month, and the yearly version is going to cost you 99 bucks per month. You get access to the Vlueo on a one-time, yearly or monthly basis, which include all the upgrades and updates of the platform. Now again, I don't know what this is. Please read the sales page carefully and choose the rightful plan for you. If it was for me, I would probably go for the monthly for this one, and if I like it, I will switch to the yearly, or if I have the money, I will go directly to the lifetime version. But just to test it out, I will go for the 39 bucks per month. And then if I like it, if I have the money, I will jump straight to the lifetime. If I don't, I will go for the yearly. So basically what I recommend you to do, you go and pick it up for the monthly version. Try it out for 1 month. If you don't like it, you can cancel your membership. If you like it, you can upgrade, go for the yearly or lifetime. So basically this was my review. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to hit me down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.